Hi friends, welcome to my channel Interesting Engineering. In this video, we shall see about the definition of instrumentation engineering in detail. First, let's know what is meant by instrumentation engineering. It is a branch of engineering which deals with measurement and control of various process variables. In this department, students will come across papers from various other departments such as ECE, EEE, CSE, IT and Mechanical. This is a branch which is involved mainly in process and automation industries and manufacturing industries. This branch enables a man to live an automated life. But how is this possible? That we shall see at the end of this video. First, in our definition, we saw three main terms: measurement, control and process variable. Let's see about those three things one by one. First, let's know what is meant by measurement. Measurement is nothing but giving some physical value to any quantity. When we want to make use of any parameter in our process, we must know how much of that available. So, in order to know the quantity available, we need to measure it. There are various measuring devices available, and those devices make use of a simple concept called comparison technique. Take for example, when we want to measure the length of the pen that we are having in our hand, we make use of a scale. When we place the pen near the scale, the number of divisions that it come across the scale gives the length of the pen. Next comes the control. What is meant by control? In any process, the output should be of our requirement. That is, when the process is running, it should operate under controlled condition. Take for example, if we are operating a system, when we want to operate a liquid level system, for example, the level of the tank should be under control condition. That is, it should reach a particular level. When it goes beyond the level, it gives major problem in industries. So in order to avoid such conditions, various control logics and techniques are employed in any sort of industry in order to operate the process under good controlled condition. So the students of this instrumentation branch will come across papers that involves various controlling techniques. So the next thing is the process variable. What is meant by process variable? It is nothing but the variable that operates any system. It is a thing, it is a quantity that is of major importance in any industry. For any process, there are lots of variables available in an industry. The major process variable that's of given much importance in any industry is liquid level, fluid flow, temperature and pressure. I said in the earlier that this field is employed in many industries, but this is utilized in our day-to-day life also. Whenever we make use of any devices, any system, those things, everything is mainly because of instrumentation engineering. I'm not boosting anything. This is mainly employed in our household appliances also. Take for example, when we make use of a bread toaster, automatic bread toaster, the dryness level of the toast can be obtained automatically by adjusting the heat setting of the toaster. So this sort of automation is being implemented by the instrumentation field. So in general, the instrumentation engineering is nothing but measurement and control of various process variables. So The students of this branch will come across various measuring techniques and different technologies available to control any process. So in our next video, we shall see about what all the subjects related to instrumentation engineering, and in the forthcoming videos, we shall see about the job opportunities for an instrumentation engineer. For more videos, keep watching. Please subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.